To manually scan apps using Play Protect on the Play Store on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Play Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right. And then tap Manage App and Device. Tap Play Protect option. And then tap Scan button to start manually scanning the apps. By default, Play Protect regularly checks your apps and device for harmful behavior. That's why when there's any security risk found, you will be notified and suggested of the required action to fix it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.